Service in Paducah has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Butler County, Missouri, central Stoddard County, Missouri, until 8:15 p.m. At 5:22 p.m., trained weather spotters reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: trained spotters reported. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Poplar Bluff, Dexter, Bloomfield, Tuxico, Essex, Bell City, Fisk, Dudley, and Ron Bauer. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri: Butler and Stoddard. Miles.
What